Let me show you how to fix the Wallet app not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're not able to use the Wallet app to pay for things or to use Apple Pay, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you're going to do is if that Apple Wallet app is currently open, let's just close out of the app and all of your currently opened apps. After you've done that, let's just swipe down from the top right and make sure there's not an issue with your phone connecting to either Wi-Fi or cell data. So the easiest way to do that is just to toggle airplane mode on. This disconnects from your Wi-Fi and cell data, and then just toggle it back on to reconnect everything. You can see now I'm reconnected to AT&T. At that point, just open it up and see if that wallet is working, or do the double tap on the side here. If you do double tap, not triple tap, you should be able to see that wallet pop up to do Apple Pay. If it's still not working for you, let's just go into a web browser and check to see if there's an issue with Apple's services. So we're going to type in Apple System Status. Again, Apple System Status. On here, you'll be able to see the very first one, Support System Status. And if you expand this, you can see everything is available. You're specifically going to go down and you're going to find Wallet on this list. So there's Wallet. It should say available. If it does say unavailable or that there's an issue, of course, then that's the issue with your wallet. You just need to wait for it to get back up and running. But if you're still having issues with it, there are some other options. Let's go into the Settings app of your iPhone. And from here, just tap on the General, and you'll be able to see midway down iPhone Storage. This will allow you to see all of the apps on your iPhone. It's pretty easy to just find that Wallet app. You can scroll down and just hit Show All, or you can just search for Wallet here because it's fairly small, and you'll be able to see, make sure there are no issues when you go in here. It doesn't pop up with any issues. Now, you can also just hop out here and you can press and hold and hit remove and delete the app entirely. And you can see it says first you might need to remove the cards in your settings. So you might need to go back and remove the cards within your wallet and Apple Pay settings, and then try deleting that app and reinstalling it. If it still doesn't work for you, an easy next option is just to force restart or just normal restart your phone. So you can do that by swiping down from the top right and tapping on that little power button at the top right. Or you can press and hold the volume up and side button until you go to the process, not to take a screenshot, until you go to the process of sliding to power off. So just turn your phone off completely, restart it, and then the Apple Pay and Apple Wallet should be working normally.